Alright guys, welcome back to the third lab. This is the third one lab and the last second. And in this lab, I'll teach you how you can exploit DOM-based cross-site scripting. As we have learned, reflected XSS, stored XSS, and now we are going to cover the DOM XSS vulnerability in the document right. Uh, yeah, basically using source syncs using a sync using source search location dot search. So I'm going to use here the third one payload as I have already written. You will get these payloads in the resource section, so just don't worry. And if I type this kind of payloads, so you can just give it a try. Open the notes, not this one. So yeah, this one. You can just type this kind of no um, onload alert 1. This is how you can just go with this. Okay, so after this, let me correct if I'm doing any mistake. svg onload equal to alert, basically it contain equal to signature too. So you can just always use this, and if you are still getting an error, you can just compare with the original payload. So just copy it and paste it here. Seems like we just forgot to put our svg here. Yeah. So basically we are going to use a scalable vector in order to exploit this vulnerability. Now how this payload work, what does this means? Let's ask ChatGPT. So when I ask ChatGPT to explain this payload to me, basically this payload is a cross-site scripting payload. It attempts to inject malicious code into a web page by exploiting a vulnerability in the svg scalable vector graphics image format. When the svg image is loaded, the onload event triggers, executing the javascript code alert1, which typically results into pop-up dialog displaying the number 1. So you can put anything instead of number 1, it doesn't matter at all. This could be the part of a larger attack to steal cookies, to steal session cookies, redirect the user into a malicious website, as I have earlier told you, in order to perform some harmful actions. So let's visit the website. uh, DOM base using InnerSync. Seems like this is the one that I'm interested in, so I'll just click on it to access the lab until I'll make a copy of this payload. So just copy it, and after copying it, just visit the website, and here you can clearly see we have a search bar. If you type hello, it returning me the hello. So just paste your payload, that's all you need to do. Or even though you can always try to type stuff. uh, svg onload alert equal to 1 or anything you want to type, and then just search, click search. Okay, it didn't work for me. Let's see where we are getting an error. svg onload alert. Okay, so we are getting an error. Let's see in the solution tab which they are basically using. So just copy their one, but both are same, it should be executed. Okay, it's get executed. I really have no idea why that was not working for me, even though both were same. So you can see that it just gave me a pop-up. Let's compare these both where we were doing mistake. So basically I'm just doing some wrong things. you just need to type the equal to in right location. So let's do it manually one time more. The first thing you need to type double colon and then svg onload equal to alert 1 and then close it and hit enter, and you can see it works. So this is how you can exploit the DOM based XSS vulnerabilities. I'll see you in the next lab.